As part of MDO, future friendly forces will overcome standoff through penetrating, disintegrating, and exploiting. The future complex battlefield presents advanced challenges to friendly forces, requiring them to aggregate, disaggregate, and move continuously to survive. One unique challenge facing the future force is to move along contested lines of communications with multiple complex wet gap crossing obstacles. Security conditions must be set in advance to assure freedom of action and to gain a degree of predictability. Peer threats are able to coordinate and combine multiple advanced capabilities that create temporary and permanent periods of overmatch. The adversary employs national and district-level intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, unmanned aerial systems for targeting, conventional short, mid, and long-range fires, and will deny positioning, navigation, and timing, and communications to counter friendly actions. The enemy converges 5 domains on a decisive space, requiring U.S. all-domain protection. A heavy division penetrates enemy defenses, overcoming A2AD. They present deception crossings to the adversary, which causes them to shift their defensive focus. Multiple brigade combat teams conduct simultaneous river crossing operations to move elements across the obstacle and secure the far side.
Say again? Request mission update.
Copy now, Charlie 6. All comms restored. The division protects the force by preserving essential capabilities, denying enemy freedom of action, and enabling access for onward movement. Preserve essential capabilities. Friendly forces rely on ISR sensing to fully understand the adversary, identify threats, obstacles, and hazards, and develop mitigating strategies, prioritizing protection requirements and allocating resources to preserve critical capabilities, assets, and activities. Deny enemy freedom of action. Friendly forces conduct counter-UAS, counter-mobility, and assure PNT and communications through the cyber and space domains. They control the information narrative and actively seize windows of opportunity to try to change the adversary's decision-making through military deception, cover, concealment, and reducing threat ability to see and understand. Enable access. Friendly forces expand outward into new movement corridors and controlled areas. They exploit windows of protection superiority, continue onward movement, and consolidate gains. The division is able to preserve, clear the obstacle, consolidate, and move on to the objective. Preserve, deny, enable access. Your protection in multi-domain operations.